Google keeps on stopping! Hi, my name is Amar. Welcome to NomLab. This is a place for me to share tips and tricks about technology. Before we start our video for today, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. To those who have done it, thank you very much for your support. Guys, did you get the same annoying message? Oh man, it was so annoying that Google keeps on stopping, and you can't do anything much about it. So let me just share with you a quick fix on how it seems to work for me. So the first thing first you got to do is to go to your settings, click on your settings. I think most mobile devices, most Android devices are pretty similar. Okay, after you go click on the settings, then click on the apps itself. So once you got the apps, then you quickly need to do is to search for your Google. So you just need to search under Google. So let me just browse through. Alright, so once you see the Google app that is creating the problem, just click on it. Alright, and then if you look at it, if possible, what you could do is just to disable it. But what I'm doing is you just click on the three buttons there. Alright, you can either uninstall it for the time being, or what you can do is to click on the storage. Alright, so you just click on the storage and then click on clear cache. So what you need to do is clear the cache, and the next thing is go to your manage storage, okay, and clear all data. Alright, clear all data and then just click OK. And that's it. So it seems to be working fine for me. So I do believe that Google is coming out with an additional fix for this current situation. So what you just need to do, like I just repeat, is just to clear the cache, clear the memory, or you can also uninstall the app and reinstall back the application to the latest update, and it seems to be working fine. Alright guys, so that's the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also comment on the video below. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks guys. Boom!